Yo guys, what is up? I'm finally back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I managed to turn a completely dead game into a very good game.
Well, I don't know if it's very good, but it's at least decent.
And I'm going to explain how I actually ended up making thousands of Robux from this game. Before we jump on into how I actually managed to accomplish a feat as amazing as this, I'd like to let you know that this video took many hours to create. And I would highly appreciate if you would go underneath this video and drop a like to support me, as well as go ahead and subscribe. I'll be dropping 3 codes inside of this video that you can use to obtain free items. I'll give you one right now, one somewhere in the middle of the video, and then one more at the very end. So stick around to find all 3 of the codes. The first code is release in all lowercase letters. Alright, now let's get straight on into the video. Alright, so let's begin where it all kind of started. This is pretty much how the game started when I began to work on it. As you can see here, this game is a super basic free model game. There really isn't much to do here, and everything is kind of just in one spot. We got a few walk speed pads here. Actually, a lot of walk speed pads here. I'm not sure why there were so many, but yeah, we got everything from 3 walk speed all the way up to 5,000 walk speed, which is pretty fast. We also got some hats here, just a couple. I think they stack on your head, actually. Let's join in the game real quick and see. Alright, bro. Yeah, they do, bro. Why do they stack? I think I added a button. Yeah, I don't know. That deletes it. But anyway.
We do not care.
The hats could definitely use a massive improvement. Like, that's we also have these little path giver things here. There's 3 of them. These are pretty standard in these types of games. It's like one of those obbies back in the day where you have to, like, once you beat the obby, you get these paths and coils. Like, you get the rainbow path and then like the speed coil. I'm surprised we don't even have coils in here. That brings me to the last thing we have, which is this goofy odd 2011 item board full of broken swords and items. Some of these things just simply don't work. Some of them are just super annoying, like this tree one. It just spawns trees everywhere. I'm pretty sure they do not disappear. Like, this just ruins the game. Imagine getting hit by a tree just randomly. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, there's a ton of stuff that could be done to this game. It's barely even a game. It's literally just free stuff. Baller. No money's being made, and it's basically unplayable. I mean, it's literally just come in here, mess around for 2 minutes, and then leave. Honestly, it's just a big nothing burger, bro. Alright, so let's get into some things that I decided I wanted to add, and some things that could be in future updates in the game, so that we could actually make some decent and playable like mechanics and kind of set it up for the future. And you know, assuming that it performs decently, we'll go ahead and add some updates or something like that. Alright, so one big thing is that the game really desperately needs a map, because it literally has just no map. Another thing is that it needs some sort of progression, so let's add some coins around the map, maybe get some like leader stats going so that people, like, you know, have a stat that they can increase. I want to completely migrate the item board, you know, the goofy 2011 item board, into like a full comprehensive like UI that kids can like scroll through and like choose which item they want. And then, you know, that can also have other items in it, like if we wanted to add like limited items or something for the player to buy, which, hint, we do add. One big thing is we need some monetization, of course. Yeah, so we're gonna add a shop, a Game Pass shop, and then we're gonna put a bunch of stuff in there, probably 2 times coins, 2 times time, stuff like that, maybe some weapons. And then you're gonna want to give the players something to actually spend their coins on, so we could add a shop for like players trails, and then just to boost like the group, which, by the way, you can go down to the description and join my group, and you can find future updates to this game or different games or just what I'm doing in general. Yeah, we're gonna add a group reward, so, you know, if you're in the group and then you go play my game, then guess what, you're gonna get a nice little, I'll give you a hint, you get a sword, and that's pretty sick. And then we're gonna want some codes in there, which you know, you already have one of those codes. And you know what, I'll give you the second code right now. It is Mysticos subscriber. If you're watching this video, then drop a sub, you can get that super sick code. I actually do not remember what the code gives you. Probably coins. It's coins or time, or both maybe. So yeah, just go ahead and join in the game, redeem that code, and get some pretty cool stuff. And then just to top off the game, we're gonna add some secrets around the map for players to collect, and we can add those into like a UI just so people know like, oh, okay, I got this secret. You can see all the cool stuff they got. And then for the future updates, I wouldn't mind remaking this hat system. You know how it's like, you know, stacking, and you know there's like barely any hats here. I could very easily make maybe a UI or just like a big area and have people be able to buy hats and then own hats, similar to the swords and the items and stuff like that. So that'd be pretty sick. I could just add that in there in a future update. And then for the walk speed pads, like I'm thinking we could make, this was a weird idea. I didn't make it, but I feel like it would be a pretty sick thing to make, and it'd be like a shoe upgrader. I know that sounds weird, but essentially you just spend the coins and time, and you can go ahead and increase your walk speed, or technically like your shoe level or something like that, sneaker level maybe, I don't know, just so that you can move around the game more efficiently, because it is a pretty big map. And then I was thinking about maybe we could add some different like little shops around the map so people can, like, you know, another thing to spend your coins and time on, just to go ahead and get some new swords, stuff like that. And then maybe actually make the swords do more things, because currently the swords don't really do anything. You just kind of collect them and play with them. Then the other thing is I wanted to add some obbies potentially in the future updates. So all that's in the later updates. But yeah, without further ado, what if I told you guys that all those things aren't done? I mean, I already technically told you that, but you already know that, because why would I be making this video? But this is the new game. As you can see, it's a pretty sick game, I'm not gonna lie. We got a little spawn zone here. Oh,
Shoot, I low-key forgot to finish this fence. It is public too.
okay, next update, I'll finish this fence, guys. Trust me. Kind of rushed to finish this game up because, yeah, I mean, I basically made most of this myself. So, yeah, I was kind of speedrunning a lot of this stuff. That's why it's going to be a little bit buggy and whatnot. But anyway, yeah, we got a little spawn area here. We got a winter/ice zone over here with some icy crystals and igloos all spread around. We got a desert zone as well with some little desert temples. Minecraft reference? I don't know, I'm just playing. And some cactus or cacti spread around. To top it all off, we got a super sick looking lava zone with volcanoes and all that sick stuff. If we go ahead and play the game, you can see we got all kinds of UI here. Remember how I said I wanted to turn the old item board into a UI interface? Well, here it is. You can go through every item that was on the list and go ahead and equip whichever one you want. And then you can go over here and see your owned items, which you get from buying Game Pass or claiming group rewards or future shops, you know, if we decide to add that or whatever. We got the trail shop here. You just spend coins and you can unlock trails for your character, which you get to keep, so that's pretty sick as well. This button literally just teleports you back to spawn. Pretty rudimentary little button. In the future though, I would not mind making a system that teleports you around the map. Maybe it brings up a UI, and if you like discover that part of the map, then you permanently unlock it. On top of that, we have the secrets. This UI just shows all the ones you already found, but I'm not going to show you guys where they all are. That's for you guys to go and play the game and find out for yourself. The last big thing is this Game Pass shop. We got tons of Game Passes in here, and I like to think that the shop actually looks pretty decent for this being my first time making an actual game. But yeah, other than that, there's just the group rewards and the codes and all that. So pretty sick game, you guys. This took a lot of effort, and yeah, I really hope you guys do like it. If you want to play this game, link is in the description. So yeah, definitely, you know, go check it out. I know it's not an amazing game, but it's the first game that I completed. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. This is what I've been doing for the past few months, hence why I haven't really been posting any videos or doing anything with the channel. If this video could get like, I don't know, 500 likes, well, that's kind of shooting for the stars, but then yeah, I would definitely go ahead and update this game. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna start creating more of these development style videos in the future, so definitely stay tuned if you guys are interested. Oh, and the last thing is, if you guys wanted that last code, it is Lucky Day 777. So yeah, you can go ahead and redeem that one as well. Again, I have no idea what that code does, but anyway, yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. And that, hope you guys enjoyed, and have an amazing rest of your week.